Good evening, students. Today I am going to explain about C++. We are all know that C++ is a object oriented programming language. Okay, so what is a C++ and what is its history means? C++ is a multi-paradigm programming language that supports object-oriented programming, that is OOP, created by Bjarne Stroustrup in 1983 and at Bell Labs. C++ is an extension of C programming, and the programs written in C language can run in C++ compiler. The development of C++ actually began 4 years before its releases in 1979. It did not start with the name C++. It is first named as C with clauses. In the later part of 1983, C with clauses was first used for AT&T's international programming needs. Its name was changed to C++ later in the same year. It's, of course, also used in a wide range of other application domains, notable graphics programming. C++ supports inheritance through class derivation. Dynamic binding is provided by virtual class function. What is the differences between C and C++ means? C is a procedural language, whereas C++ is a non-procedural, that is, it is an object-oriented language. In C, top-down approach is used in program design, whereas in C++, bottom-up approach is adopted in program design. In C, multiple declaration of global variables are allowed, whereas in C++, multiple declaration of global variables are not allowed. C requires all the variables to be defined at the starting of a scope, but C++ allows the declaration of variable anywhere in the scope, that is at the time of its first use. In C, malloc and calloc functions are used for memory allocation and free function for memory deallocating. In C++, new and delete operators are used for memory allocating and deallocating. What are the uses of C++ language? C++ is used by programmers to develop computer software. It is used to create general system software, used to build drivers for various computer devices, software for servers, and software for specific applications used in the creation of video games. What are the advantages of C++? C++ is relatively low level and is a systems programming language. It has a large community, it has relatively clear and mature standard, modularity, reusability and readability. These are the advantages of C++. At the same time, it holds some disadvantages, that are data is global or local. It emphasizes on instructions but not on data. It can be generally heavy if not careful. Data is global and global data does not have security. So these are the disadvantages of C++. Then standard libraries in C++ can be categorized into two parts. First one is standard function library. So this includes the general purpose standalone function that are not part of any class. The function library is inherited from C. The object oriented class library is the second part. This is a collection of classes and associated function. The standard C++ library incorporates all the standard C libraries, also with small additions and changes to support type safety. A structure of C++. First one is header file declaration section. Second one is global declaration. Third one is class declaration and method definition section. Fourth one is main function, and the last one is method definition section. This is a simple example program in C++. The has include iostream.h is the header file. Int main, that is the integer type main function, is the main function. Open braces C out hello, that is the output statement. So this is the simple structure of the C++ program. Thank you.